For hard-working, uncompromised performance, trust in the rugged tooth Q1002 Triple Chip Carbide bandsaw blade to rise up to the challenge. The rugged tooth Q1002 was designed to take on tough cutting applications like nickel alloys, titanium, Inconel, and exotics with ease and unmatched power. The Q1002 is optimized with a high-grade triple chip ground carbide with a positive rank angle on the tooth. This promotes a machined, workable finish while also promoting greater wear and heat resistance for blade longevity. The triple chip succeeds where a standard bimetal blade will fail, making it the prime choice for those working in aerospace, steel service centers, and really any other production cutting environment. Unlike other carbide tip bandsaw blades out there, we have engineered the rugged tooth Q1002 blade to be versatile. The Q1002 boasts a high level of forgiveness and tolerance and will work on most any metalworking bandsaws out there. Get your rugged tooth Q1002 Triple Chip Carbide bandsaw blade today at Sawblade.com. Sawblade.com manufactures quality, long-lasting, made-to-order, American-made bandsaw blades, and we stand behind them with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. Shop from a wide variety of sawing products with confidence like carbon blades, bimetal blades, and carbide tip blades. Sawblade.com can also accommodate your other cutting needs like circular blades, coolant, and replacement parts. Remember, Sawblade.com. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.